Hello students, today I am explaining you 10th class chapter 7 coordinate geometry exercise 7.2. First question, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. See what they are asking in the question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points -1, 7 and 4, -3. Let us solve it. See, the line segment joining the points, that the first point is a, that is what, -1, 7, and the second point is B, that is 4, -3. This is the line segment joining the points -1, 7 and 4, -3. So we want to dividing point. So let that is point is a P in the ratio of 2:3. 2:3. So let the point dividing point is x, y. Here P is the point divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. Now we want to find the point, dividing point. Then assume the first point is x1, y1 and the second point is x2, y2, and the ratios are m1 and m2. And the P coordinates are what? X, y. Now, so we substitute these points in the formula, the section formula. X is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and for y is equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is the formula, section formula. To find x coordinate, use the formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. To find y coordinate, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So here x means what? X only is there, is equals to m1. m1 is a 2 into x2. x2 is 4 plus m2. m2 is 3. Right, so I am substituting. Right, x is equals to m1 value is 2 into x2. x2 value is 4 plus m2. m2 is what? 3 into x1. x1 is -1 by m1 plus m2. m1 is 2. 2 plus 3 comma y is equals to m1. m1 is 2. 2 into y2. y2 is -3 plus m2. m2 is 3 into y1. y1 is 7 by m1 plus m2 is what? 2 plus 3. So after we substitute these values in the formula, we have to simplify it. So write x is equals to 2 4s are 8 plus into minus, 3 1s are 3 by 2 plus 3 is 5 comma y is equals to plus into minus, 2 3s are 6 plus 3 7s are 21 by 2 plus 3 is 5. So x is equals to 8 minus 3 is 5 by 5 comma y is equals to -6 plus 21 is a 15 by 5. Here 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15. Therefore P is equals to 1, 3. This is the answer. P is equals to 1, 3. Here we have one more question, that is third question in the same exercise 7.2. So first I read the question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. So in this question they are asking to find the ratio. What they given? They given the point of line segment. The points of line segment is what? Minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8. And also the dividing point is minus 1 comma 6. That is also given. So let us solve the question. Solution. So draw the line segment A and it is a B point. The first point is given minus 3 comma 10 and the second point is given 6 comma minus 8. This is the line segment. AB is the line segment. The points are minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8. And this minus 1 comma 6 is what? It is a dividing point. So this line segment is divides at P. At the dividing point is P. That is what? Minus 1 comma 6. And the ratios are M1, M2. I am assuming that ratios are M1, M2. This one only we have to find out this question. So let the first point is x1, y1 and the second point coordinates are x2, y2 and the dividing point coordinates are xy. And right now the formula, segment formula, x is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and y is equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. In this formula we want to substitute x1 y1 and x2 y2 xy values. See, now I am substituting the points in the formula. So x is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 is equals to m1. m1 is m1 only because we don't know that value. x2 is 6 plus m2 into x1. x1 is minus 3 by m1 plus m2 comma y. Y is what here? 6 is equals to m1 into y2. y2 is minus 8 plus m2 into y1. y1 is 10 by m1 plus m2. So after we substitute that m1, m2 and the x1, y1, x2, y2 and the xy values in the formula, we want to simplify it. So in these two we can simplify any one to get the answer. So now I am substituting the first one. So write minus 1 is equals to m1 into 6 m1. So plus into minus is minus, 3 into m2 is 3m2 by m1 plus m2. Once again, to find m1 and m2 values, we can solve any one in these two. So here I am simplifying or solving the first part. So we can write by 1 and do cross multiplication. So 1 into 6m1 minus 3m2 is equals to here minus 1 into m1 plus m2 and write this 6m1 minus 3m2 as it is equals to minus 1 into m1 minus m1 and minus into plus minus 1 into m2 is m2. And now take the m1 terms one side and m2 terms another side. See, write this 6m1 as it is and transfer this minus m1 to left side. That minus becomes plus m1 is equals to, and write this minus m2 is as it is, Now transfer this minus 3m2 to right side, then the minus becomes plus 3m2. So here it is a 6m1 plus 1m1 is 7m1 is equals to minus 1m2 plus 3m2. Minus 1m2 plus 3m2 is 2m2. After this, write m1 by m2 is equals to, here we have taken this m2 in the denominator, that's why we want to write this 2 is in numerator, and m1 I am taking in the numerator, that's why this coefficient 7 take in the denominator. So if we cross multiplied it, we get the same thing. See here, 7 into m1 is 7m1 is equals to 2 into m2 is a 2m2. Yes. Now m1 by m2 can write now m1 is to m2. The fraction is nothing but ratio. m1 is to m2 and it is 2 is to 7. So therefore the ratio m1 is to m2 is equals to 2 is to 7 is the answer of this question.